up, everybody? It's Aliya. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, this video is going to be a DIY on how I made my vanity with lights. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to tell y'all what y'all need, how to do it, and the steps, all of that. So let's get started. I got 2 letterpress cubes from Michael's. I use a 48 by 16 inch shelf board from Home Depot. This is optional, but I bought marble contact paper to put on top of the shelf because when I bought it, it was a little dusty. Next, I got a 24 by 30 inch frameless mirror from Lowe's. 8 clear globe light bulbs, and I got those from Home Depot. 2 extension cord. I got mine from the dollar store. Then a wireless remote control. This is so when you turn on and off the light, you won't have to keep plugging it in and out of the wall. 2 24-inch vanity light strips. This is optional too. It's a vanity mirror, command strip, so you can hang everything to the wall. All the links to these items will be in my description. Y'all, let's just get straight into the video. Started by putting the contact paper onto the board, and I thought it was going to be easy, but no, it was really hard, and it took a long time. Y'all, when I opened the paper, I found a little bug chilling inside. I'm like, what's going on? Like, what? Like, ew. Moving on, I opened the mirror and placed it to the wall using 4 large command strips. Okay guys, so I did measure to make sure that the mirror will be right in the center. So this is where you're gonna need your extension cords. You're gonna have to cut it, determining on the length that you want it to be. Then you're gonna split it in half. Now you're gonna cut about 1 inch of the white part of the wire. You'll notice that one of the wires are kind of smoother than the other, and you're gonna connect the smooth one with the black wire and connect the other one with the white. If your extension cord is as long as mine was, I suggest cutting way further down than I did. I eventually went back and rewired everything because the wires were so long. So I just placed 2 medium command strips on this strip, and I'm gonna place it to the wall. But before you actually place it to the wall, you want to like measure it with the other thing on top to make sure it's in the right spot. I don't really know how to explain that, but y'all see right there, you put that on top to make sure it's in the right place. Guys, this is what I'm talking about earlier in the video. Eventually I did change it, and I'm gonna show y'all. Get into it. Yeah.
Yeah. You can't do it like me.
Bet you can't do it like me. What's that song go? Like, can you do it like me? Wait, bitch, can't whip like me. Can't really rock like me. Can't sexy walk like me. Can't hit the phones like me.
It's hit the phone.
Hit the phone.
Hit the phone.
Wait, bitch can't drop like me. Can't hit the folks.
No, that's not the. That's
yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is.
You said that was the second one.
Okay, let's start over. How we go? Bitch can't whip like me. Can't really rock like me. Can't sexy walk like me. Can't hit the phone like me.
Exactly.
I don't even know at this point.
There you go.
You can't drop like me. Can't hit. Wait, that's actually big. Get into it. You can literally see everything. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be in the description to the items. It'll take you straight to the items, so you won't have to search it on Google or any of that. All right, y'all. Bye.